Hello everyone, welcome to this modern design video. I have seen the about section of the company's person are so beautiful that it makes you interested to see the bio of each person. See, I think you also have noticed. See, you can see on my screen there are 4 persons. When I click on it, the about bio of the person comes down with a animation effect, a little animation effect, and it's and the button of this image changes to cross icon. When I click on it, it changes, it hides the text. Okay, when I click again on it at any part of this image, okay, at when any part of this image the text comes, and it shows that he is a front end leader. And same in the other images, when I click on it, like I have clicked on the Jake. See, Jake is the sales head, and when I click on it, the button plus icon, initially it was plus icon, but when I click on it again, okay, so this is a beautiful design, and I think it makes the about section of the company so beautiful that any person visiting the website will definitely read the bio. Okay, so we are making it React framework. Okay, so I have created a React project with the name company about, and I have added the images folder, and in the images folder we have 4 images that we are going to use in this project, and it's a SVG images. Okay, so first of all start go in the Apple.js. We don't need this logo, we don't want this header. Okay, so first of all create a div container, and it is a class name of, give class name to cards, give it class name card. In the card we have a div that it is containing our image, so give it class name to image box. In the image box we have our image. Okay, so import all our images. In this source, give the path name of our image, and first is image1. Okay, so after image we have, so below image we have a div that is a class name of below heading, and this below heading div is going to contain the name and the logo plus and cross icon. See, in the final image this below heading has a text and a logo. Okay, so that we are making first it is a logo, so create a div of and give it class name. Right now empty, we will dynamically add class name. Okay, so make it empty right now, and below this logo div we make a paragraph tag and write the name of the person. The first person is John. Okay, so this our first card has made. Let's copy it 4 times because we have 4 cards, and change the image here to image 3, image 4. Change the name to second one Smith, third one Jake, and fourth one Bob. Okay, so save this and create the basic styling for all of these. Our root font size is 16 pixel. First select the cards container, and inside first make display flex. It has a width of 90%. It has a width of 90%, and it is a height of 100 view height, taking full height of the browser, and justify content space between space evenly, align item center, and margin auto. Let's select the card. Our card has a width of 14 rem and height 16 rem, and background color, that is a RGB color. The value here 230, and 0.22. Now select the image box that we have in the card. In all cards, this image box has a width 100%, taking full space, full width of the card, and taking height, full width, full height of the card. Okay. See, our image box has the image and a below heading. Okay, so let's select the image in the image box, and this image is a width 100% but height 80%. Height 80%, see, because you can see this is the image and image has the height of 80%. After 80% we have a below heading container, okay, that has the height of 20%. So now select the below heading container. Width 100% the card width, and the height 20%, because 20% is remaining. Width, the image has taken 80% of the width, and the rest is our below heading container will take. Okay, so that's why width, height 20%. Background color, same background color of our card, so copy this. Text align center, and padding top 5%. 5% of this 20%. Okay. Now select this paragraph that below heading has. So copy, font weight, $700, color blue violet, and text transform, all the text, all the name. Okay, save this and see how it looks in the. So firstly we are making the functionality that will open the bio below this image. Okay, so below the image box container we are creating the container that has all the text, that has all the person related to the person. So give it class name bio, about, so give it class name about, and in the about see, the first person is a tech leader. Okay, so I am a front end leader at ABC, and the rest other text is demo text. Okay, so for demo text you can create in just 1 second. Go to index.html and create a lorem text of 30 words, and move it in the app.js in the about container. So we have moved it. Paste it. Okay, let's copy this about in and paste it in all the, after all the image box. And the second person is co-founder of ABC. Okay, so write some different text. Co-founder of ABC company. And Jake is the Sales head at ABC. And the last person, Bob, is founder of ABC. Okay, so create the styling for this about section. Copy it, write down the last name and the text is aligned center. Font weight 100. And there is an animation that is going to happen when you click on the image. That will open the bio with effect, animated effect. Okay, so we are creating that animation. The animation name is down. Animation timing function, animation duration 1 second, and animation iteration. Animation is going to happen only one time. Okay, so font weight is not 100, it's 400. And last, background color, the same background color that the card and the image box. Copy this value, paste it here. Okay, so when you save this and see in the screen, see the all the bio of each person has come. And the first person is the front leader, and the second is a co-founder. And okay, so let's get the functionality. When I click on the first one, the first bio of the person should come. Okay, so for this, wrap this div container about container. In a curly braces, and add the show variable, and show is a variable which we are going to define. If it is true, then it is going to print the about section of the first person. Okay, so same thing do in the rest of the sections. Wrap all of this. So create the show variable with use state hook. So import first use state. The initial value of show is, so okay, at the starting we are not going to see any person's bio. Okay, so we are updating the show value to true. Okay, so for true we are saying whatever previous value it has, change opposite to it. Okay, so if it is false, if the value is so, then make it true, and if it is true, then make it false. So by this way, when the user click on the card, the bio of the person comes. When he again click on the card, the bio of the person gets hidden. Okay, that's why I have added this sign to make the opposite at every on click. Okay, and copy this on click event handler in each card. Okay, so when I click any one of the card, see all the bio of all 4 persons comes down. Okay, but thesis we don't want. Okay, what we want, when I click on any one of the person, that is split, the only its bio comes with animation. Okay, not the rest of the bio. Okay, so for this, what we can do is, instead of having one show, we are creating now 4 different variables that is going to open each different bio. Okay, so for this, the first table is show1 variable that is going to open the first bio of the zone. The second is going to open the second person's bio. So third is going to open the third person's bio, and the same 4, and change it 1, and the starting all these are false. Okay, of then come down to and change also this, change the set show1 value, and the second change the show2 value, third change the show3 value. This way we have the functionality to click on the each card and open its bios. Okay, each person's card and open the bio of the person. Okay, so when you save this and see the screen, see, it is showing the error that show is not defined, because now we have changed the variables name to 1 2 3 4. Okay, so do the same thing here. When the show1 value is true, then open the show1d. Okay, so create add 1 here. When the show2 value is true, then open the second 2 bio. When the show3 value is true, then open the third one bio. And when the show4 value is true, open the show4 bio. So this way you can separately open the bio of the person. Okay. So when I click on the Jack, it opens the bio of Jack, that he is a sales head at ABC and other text. When I click on John, it opens the text. It opens the bio of the John, that he is a front end leader. Okay, so now let's create the animation. When I click on the Smith, the text comes with animation. Okay, so we have added the animation. Okay, so let's create the keyframes. Down. And the 0%, what we want. So it is now it is going to come from -5 pixel to its normal position at 100%. Okay, so when you save this on y-axis, okay, so see the text. See, when you click, see the text comes from -5 pixel and comes to natural position at a duration of 1 second. Okay, see, it comes from -5 pixel at y-axis to its normal position at 100%. Okay, so let's create the final button. So this was the div that has initially class name hidden. Okay, so inside it give it hr tag to hr tag, give it class name icon. Okay, so do this in the same rest of it. Come to app.css and select this hyphen tag and width 2 rem and height 2 rem, background color text values position absolute. When you save this, see okay, so it is gone at the top because it is we are making this positioning absolute to its parent container. And what is parent container? Parent container is below heading. Okay, below heading has the icon. So add position relative here. It will see add position relative and see in the when you save this, see it is at the right position, and the height of this half height is below above the its container. Okay, this is the below heading container. It has 20% height. Okay, and the height of this icon, half height of this icon is came upwards. Okay, you can see because I have added top minus 1 rem, and you see the height of this icon is 2 rem. And what I am saying, make 50% height top from the container. Okay, that's why it is aligned at above this container, okay. So let's get the cross functionality. So for this, select the HR of this icon, this it has 60% height of the icon. Background color it's white. Height 2 pixel. When you save this and see in the screen that our HR tag is at the top of this icon, because it's so if we want to make it center, give top 0, left 0, everything 0. Okay. And margin auto, and add position absolute. See now the HR has come to center. Okay, so we have to HR, and the second HR is we want to rotate 90 degrees so that it puts the plus sign. So for this, what we can do, select the second HR with end selector, transform it 90 degree. When you see this, okay, so it is looking the same sign. Okay, so also add some. You can see the border of this HR is slightly black. Okay, so we want to make it transparent so it looks more clean. See, now it is looking clean, polished clean. Okay, so now create the functionality. When I click on it, the plus sign changes to close icon. Okay, so for this. So for this, we are dynamically added classes on each icon. Okay. Based on the state variable of the card. Okay. So if the first card that has the show1 value, if show1 is true, then we are adding the icon, an icon rotate class that is going to rotate the icon. Okay. But if it is false, then we don't want to rotate. Okay, so it will have the normal class that is icon. Okay, but when the show1 is true, then it is going to rotate, and that will make the close icon. Okay, that will make the close icon. So do this, all of you same at every card. Copy this. So if you can create this icon.rotate class. So if our icon has a icon.rotate class, then what we want, its first HR, we are selecting with end selector, should rotate 45 degree, 45 degree. And same thing with the second HR tag, but it is going to rotate at 135 degree. That will make the close icon. When you click on it, see the transition is transition duration 1 second. When you click on any one of, see it transition the icon with 1 second duration, and you see it rotates with transition. Okay, in all of this. Okay, so this button is for changing one. See in the fourth card, okay, so it has a show one value, so variable, make it 4, and you save this, then you click on it. See. Okay, so wow, the why the same these all have for same images. Okay, so because go in app.js and see we have same name. Okay, so for that change to 2, 3 and 4, when you save this, see. Okay, so four are now other different person. Okay, so I make videos on modern designs and creativity things and the things which are in demand like React and other. Please subscribe to my video.